Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Wednesday, the 13th of December. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened overnight. In the US, we had the PPI numbers come in on forecast as the USD quietly gained more strength against the majors in what seems to be a prelude to tomorrow morning's FOMC rate decision. Just a couple talking points on that. Just remember that the market is very much expecting a rate increase. Should they not deliver, or if the accompanying statement should not be as predicted, it could actually make the US dollar fall, even though they did get an increase. It is also Miss Yellen's last major activity as her role as the chairman at the Fed Reserve. So it will be very interesting, but that's tomorrow. Okay, so PPI numbers on forecast. In the UK, CPI numbers came in strong at 3.1%, but it seems that investors are really more focused on the Brexit issues and they're driving the cable down at the moment. The GBP USD is currently trading at 133.20. All right, let's have a look at our chart of the day. And the chart that I found for us this morning is it's a Euro New Zealand on a daily time frame. Now, I think I showed this yesterday or perhaps the day before, but you can clearly see that we have now come and met the support line. We are right on this section right now. So if somebody wanted to take a trade off this level, what I've done is I've dropped into a 4-hour chart. So let me show you. Drop into a 4-hour chart, and the same region on that support level, there's still a little bit for this candle to currently finish, but at the moment, the way that it's looking, it does look like a reversal pattern. So just keep an eye on that, and if it concretes itself as a reversal pattern, well then basically you've got all systems go. So our chart of the day today is the Euro New Zealand daily time frame for the support, 4-hour, zooming in to try and get the price action entry that we require. All right, so what's happening in the markets in the session that is about to kick off? It's actually a very filled event in terms of data. We kick off locally at 9:15. Governor Lowe will be speaking this morning. 8:30 tonight from the UK, we have the average earnings index. Just after midnight at 12:30, we have CPI numbers from the US. At 2:30, we have crude oil. Then the big one at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, we have the FOMC projections, the statement, and the rates decision. Now remember, everybody's expecting an increase, so let's see what happens. We could be in a situation where we get an increase and the actual US dollar loses strength. Okay, and then at 6:30 they'll have the press conference to go with that. So there you have it, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.